Skylar here, Boucher Cadillac. Here today is our 2018 Cadillac XT5. XT5 is Cadillac's #1 seller worldwide. This particular one is a standard model, front wheel drive. Comes standard with a 3.6 V6. Plenty of space in the back. Power liftgate here. 30 cubic feet with the seats flipped up, and if you flip them down, they actually fold flat with a lever right here. Gets you 63 cubic feet of cargo space. Iconic Cadillac blade lights front and rear. 18-inch alloy wheels. Slidable center rear seats. Also 40-20-40 split. So you have just the center section down as well. Still plenty of room for 2 passengers in the rear. Power seats up front. Cadillac Q system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability with your projection button right there. Also, everything is voice activated for you. Dual zone climate control. Cadillac's new precision shifter here. Also have all of your controls right here on your steering wheel. Everything for your gauges up top right there, as well as cruise control and voice activation down below. Come see Skylar, Boucher Cadillac. We'll find the perfect XT5 to fit your needs as well as your budget. 262-754-9600.